Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have 6 opportunities that you can work from home. So stay tuned throughout the entire video so you'll be able to see every single one of the opportunities and you see if there's one that's the right one for you. So the first job is for Credco Management LLC. They're looking for an internet marketing specialist. It pays from $25 to $30 an hour. Credco Management is looking for an internet marketing specialist. Emphasis on creating unique content and knowing various funnel lead platforms to create internet leads to increase sales. This job is part-time, pays $25 to $30 an hour. It has a flexible schedule and 4-hour shifts. And marketing for 3 years is preferred. So if you think you're the perfect candidate for this particular position for job number 1, we'll have the link right in the description below. The second job is for CCFI LLC. They're looking for a junior copywriter. It pays from $48,000 to $52,000 a year. Advance your career in financial services in a rapidly expanding company and join our team at Community Choice Financial. We will invest in you. You will receive a career opportunity with great salary, training, and benefits including medical, dental, life, long-term, and short-term disability along with a 401k plan. We're a national neighborhood-based financial services company that helps hardworking Americans meet a broad set of financial needs. We support over 500 locations nationwide and expansive online services. As a search engine optimization copywriter is a storyteller. As the junior SEO copywriter, you will captivate an audience with your words and be a leader with a knack for figuring out what resonates with others. You're motivated to challenge the status quo via your intuition and inclined to work hard to exceed expectations and create rich content-focused experiences that drive funnel conversions. Are you a copywriter who loves working with words, long-term strategies, and data-driven results? Then our junior SEO copywriter role is right for you. Some of your duties and responsibilities will be write original, error-free, and engaging content to support SEO strategies. Could include but is not limited to website content, blog, infographics, video scripts, and copy and other digital deliverables. Take a hands-on approach with copywriter and editing for different audiences to support each brand voice and tone to ensure all concepts are in line with brand direction and follow legal and compliance guidelines for the applicable market. Make necessary content changes to the website to support new product launches and product conversions. Support content needs for website redesign projects and launches for new websites. Support user testing of content-related website updates as necessary. Receive feedback from the senior copywriter to sharpen writing skills and create finished pieces that attract and convert. Collaborate with multiple teams on content and product details needed. Teams include but are not limited to business operations, product development, internet strategy, digital design, and more. Co-manage and publish blog content to social media profiles. Education and experience. At least 2 to 3 years experience in SEO copywriting. Observe attention to detail with outstanding proofreading, fact-checking, editing skills, and flawless grammar. Passion for writing with a strong sense of voice and tone. Thrive in a fast-paced, deadline-driven environment, handling multiple projects at a time. Excellent interpersonal skills and significant experience working cross-functionality. Should be able to collaborate closely with marketing and product peers as a key creative partner. A willingness to learn from other creative professionals. Knowledge of consumer lending preferred but not required. Diverse portfolio and proof of data-driven content. This job is full-time, pays $48,000 to $52,000 per year. It has benefits such as 401k matching, tons of different insurance such as dental, health, life, and vision insurance, paid time off, HSA or health savings account, flexible spending account as well. It's 8-hour shifts and it's fully remote. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, just apply to job number 2 in the description below and you can apply right away. Now for job number 3. This is for the company The Point and it is fully remote. It is online marketing and social media sales coordinator. It pays from $16 to $50 an hour. Seeking a part-time marketing manager. Responsibilities include but are not limited to updating our Squarespace website, manage and edit images, manage our video content, update online listings, create and schedule social media, write scripts for website bot, follow heat maps, oversee AdWords, post R and other blogs. Needs: experience and responsibility listed with proven result, attention to detail, can get things done, strong writer and creative, problem solver and go-getter, can take feedback and works well with a team. Benefits: flexible schedule and work remote. This company describes its culture as detail-oriented, quality and precision-focused, outcome-oriented, people-oriented, and team-oriented. The contract length is ongoing, contract renewal is likely, and the schedule is flexible. It pays $16 to $50 per hour with a self-determined schedule. Education: they will prefer a bachelor's degree and experience at least 2 years relevant required, with language being English required. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position, we'll have the link right in the description below as job number 3, and you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We have 3 more jobs available here for you, and we're also gonna have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you wanna be notified. Now for job number 4, this is for Dictate Express. It is remote, and they're looking for a transcriptionist, transcription editor, pays from $10 to $35 an hour. Dictate Express is growing with a privately held United States-based company and a certified small business providing transcription services to medical, government, legal, and law enforcement agencies across the United States. There's a $250 retention bonus to start today, working full-time from home anywhere in the United States. Dictate Express is currently seeking a highly skilled legal transcriptionist/editors to work on large legal accounts. These positions are for production-minded, quality-focused transcriptionists. The $250 retention bonus will be paid upon 90 days of successful full-time transcription. A successful transcription test will be required as a condition of hiring. You must be an American citizen residing in the USA. Must be willing to accept 90 to 120 hours of audio minutes per day. Requirement: 2 years of recent verifiable transcription service. References will be checked. Bi-monthly payments made by direct deposit. Reliable meeting established deadlines. Dictate Express will provide FTP software. Nationwide United States position, pays per 65 characters line including spaces. Able to meet deadlines for a fast-paced, quick turnaround account. Additional work, additional shifts, temporary shifts, PRN as volume demands. Ability to proofread and spell/grammar check. Windows 10, at least 4 gigs of RAM, high-speed internet, foot pedals, headphones, must have Word, and be familiar with its functions. Ability to troubleshoot programs and Windows. FTP experience is a plus. Must be able to meet deadlines. Must stay in contact and be reachable by managers. We look forward to adding you to our team. It is full-time contract, pays $10 to $35 per hour. There's a supplemental pay with that signing $250 signing bonus. The experience, at least 2 years typing required, and English as a language is required. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, we'll have the link right below as job number 4, and you can apply right away. But if not, here's job number 5. Job number 5 is from Jump Factor Marketing, and they're looking for a content manager, writer, editor, fully remote. He pays from $40,000 to $60,000 per year. So Jump Factor is very competitive in compensation. They got remote work, constant growth and career advancement opportunities, performance-based bonuses, paid training, paid social events, robust health, dental, vision, and disability benefits, pet-friendly environment, weekly learning programs, and state-of-the-art technologies and tools. Qualifications: at least 2 to 5 years in writing on the following topics: healthcare, medical devices, software, industrial, marketing, technology, or IT industries. 2 to 5 years of experience within journalism role. Ability to research topics and write copy to adhere tight deadlines. Proven experience producing high quality copy and content, landing pages, blogs, ebooks, and ad copy and other website assets. Excellent knowledge of SEO optimization and integration into copy. Superb grammar and writing style ability. able to craft compelling and target buyer persona while telling a story and draft powerful copy for emails and landing pages to trigger emotions and drive action, ability to research into technical B2B niche topics and distill the concepts into understandable marketing copy. Here's some of the job descriptions that you'll be doing: coordinate and manage and edit content from a group of 15 plus vetted freelance writers, edit 12 to 15 content pieces per week for B2B clients, research and write B2B focused work for client industries, leverage SEO keyword research tools, work closely with a team of 5, focus on select set of clients to ensure growth of traffic and leads in order to generate ROI for the clients. This job is full-time, pays $40,000 to $60,000 per year, and the schedule is Monday through Friday, fully remote. If you would like to apply for this particular position, we'll have the link right in the description below as job number 5, so you can apply right away. Now, job number 6 is for study.com, and they're looking for a remote tutor writing. Do you love writing and editing? Would you like to get paid to help students with their writing from the comfort of your own home? Would you like to have the flexibility to choose your own hours? 100% online English writing tutor role. Study.com is dedicated to making education easily accessible to students anywhere. Our contract writing tutors use an online chat portal to communicate with students in real time and help them with writing related questions. This can include helping students edit their papers, assisting with citations, and helping students improve clarity and grammar. Tutors can select their own schedule and work from anywhere, entirely online. And unlike other online tutoring jobs, we pay you for your time, not the number of sessions you tutor. For the job description, you'll sign up for a tutoring time slot that fits your schedule and be available to respond to students' questions via online chat sessions or by responding to questions students submit to our answers portal. You may need to screen share to walk students through a text, assess a student's comprehension level, and identify any difficulties the student has understanding the subject. Requirements: you have expert knowledge of English language arts and writing. You can clearly explain writing concepts at a college level. You have experience tutoring high school and or college students. You're able to commit to scheduled tutoring sessions. You choose the window of your availability. Our tutors are passionate about helping students succeed in their academic journey. Each tutor delivers information clearly, accurately, and in a friendly and helpful manner. If this sounds like you, apply today. Prefer skills and experience with online tutoring, working knowledge of whiteboard technology, and or screen sharing. While we offer reliable payments, timely reliable payments twice a month via PayPal, all tutoring work is paid on an hourly rate. Independence, choosing tutoring time slots based on your schedule. Flexibility, work from anywhere completely online. Supporting staff, you have access to a supportive in-house team to answer your questions. The contract process, you complete the application and submit your resume. Applications are approved and contracts sent on Wednesdays. Submit the contract within 5 days signing window and agree to a background check. Once the background check clears, you'll be sent login information, onboarding instructions, and orientation materials to get started. There's a little bit of information right there about study.com. They're trying to make education accessible. Over the last 2 decades, they become the leading online education platform, delivering a personalized learning experience across a broader continuum of education for over 30 million students, instructors, and professionals every month. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position, we'll have the link right in the description below, has job number 6, so you can apply right away. But if not, that's okay. We're gonna have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. All you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first notified when we have the best remote work from home job that's available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.